Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to reintroduce you to the Stylus Pro, but you'll have seen an in-depth video of that. And that's this heated unit. The Stylus Pro comes complete with a drawing tip, an oblong and a brush head, and it has two heat settings. There's a full video about an unboxing of the Stylus Pro. So the main objective of this is to show you the variation of stylus tips available for your Stylus Pro unit. There's all sorts. I've just had a shuffle around of the tips and put them into groups for you, just to give you an idea of what you could achieve with the different ones. The first two rows here, the triangle shapes and the petally shapes, are really good for flowers. The soft triangle tip, the mini iron tip, the equilateral triangle tip, the long triangle tip, and the fun droplet tip, and then the micro iron tip, the fun tip flower, the wide petal tip, and the long petal tip. They're all really good for doing flower type designs. So that's taking into account these first two rows here and here. And then this next row are really good if you want to embellish your skies. So you've got a small round and a large round. Well, they can be used to put moons and suns into your pictures. There's a star, and then there's a heart. I've popped the heart there because I didn't really have anywhere else to pop it. Again, the art can double up. You can use that in flower shapes as well. You can do lots of different bits with it. The next row are quite good for straight edge work. Oh, there's the egg tip as well. That's good for quite a useful tool for flowers and edge work as well. But there's a square and an oblong, so they're nice if you want to do little buildings and things like that in your pictures. And the octagon is just an interesting shape on its own. And don't forget as well, you can enhance these with your drawing tip and brush heads. Just gives you an idea of what you can use them for. Like I said, there'll be lots of videos coming up using the Stylus Pro. Happy painting, everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.